Welcome back to Quick Quiz TV. Pick your box, but one will ruin your day. No switching now. Pick your squishy. This one is where everyone fails. Were you lucky? The box on the left looks suspicious. Or does it? One of these looks different. Can you spot it? Are you feeling lucky today? Would you rather never watch another squishy dumpling video again, or subscribe to Quick Quiz TV? Choose wisely. Which box are you choosing? Great pick! Trust your gut. One of these will ruin your day. Would you switch? Pick fast, pick smart. Pick one squishy and see what it says about you. Are you a dreamer, ambitious, or friendly? Let me know in the comments. Which box calls to you? Smash that like button. Something's off about one of these. Time to choose. No switching now. Your fate is in one of these boxes. Memory round. Remember all of the items. Where is the rainbow? Position 3. You got it. Don't overthink it. Nice choice. Which one feels right? This box has fooled everyone before. Go with your first instinct. Find the odd ladybug. There it is! You nailed it! Choose before you second guess. Were you lucky? One of these is hiding something. Pick your box. Are you ready to choose? Can you name a fruit that starts with the letter B? Banana, blueberry, and blackberry. Which squishy is calling your name? Time to test your luck again. Great pick! Which box calls to you? Final box. Choose carefully. No switching now. You made it to the end. Like this video and subscribe to Quick Quiz TV for more daily quizzes. Comment your score below and pick your next challenge now.